Altama Wildlife Management Area. Altama Plantation. This used to be a hunting club for wealthy northerners. I'm not sure when it closed. I'm sure the gate will not be open up here. I've only found it open one time, and that was for a work day for the Department of Natural Resources. I think foot traffic is welcome. I'm not sure about bike traffic. We may break the bike out and take a chance on it. I don't know what they do. We are at exit, I think it's 41, Georgia 99 in Brunswick. Sort of diagonally across on the other side of the I-95 from where the new Buc-ee's is going to be. Saw a Department of Wildlife Management area truck heading out of here when I came in. I wish I'd stopped him and asked him if I could ride the bike down there. The check station is straight ahead. It's turkey season. But I'm sure the gate's closed. Yeah, it's closed. Turkey, tick, chigger, snake season. What did those signs say? Yeah, they pretty much got the road tore up, timbering on the other side. I don't think we'll go down through there. This van could get stuck. They may have this tore up over here too. We'll see. There are 3 ponds over here. I'd like to do some fishing over here. Is this where we need to go? I think this is where we need to go. In the right, I don't think we are in the right place. That gate's, I don't think this gate's normally open. I don't think I've been down this gate before. Take us in the backside of that hunting camp. It's really nice, big magnolias and all down through there. Road goes off that way. We will be using our bug spray. We do not want a tick. There's a hunting thing. What's this say up here? Oh, the gate's closed. Turn it off and see if it says foot traffic welcome. Yeah, I've never been able to get back in here before. Don't know if is there a mistake or whether being turkey season this is open. Ah, gate's closed there. I have a feeling that's where we want to be, right over there. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll turn around and head back. Okay, here's where we usually turn up here. That's going straight goes out to a dead end. This is going to take us around to those ponds. If we can get there. This sandy soil and this muck, oh man. We're going to have to hit that hard going back out too, or we'll be stuck. I keep saying I'm going to buy that portable winch and winch plate and put on here, and I don't do it. You know what? This isn't it either. Yeah, it is. It didn't look the same though. Yeah, we're gonna have to hit that mud puddle hard. With all this rain, even this sand right here is sort of iffy. Do some fishing in that lake. Those other two ponds are out there to the right, straight ahead out there to the right. Well, you've got four-wheel drive. If I get stuck, he'll have to get me out before he can get out. Yeah, here's another one. So there are two of them. They'll get us out. They won't be able to get out themselves. I need a four-wheel drive van, folks. I need it bad. Four-wheel drive van, and I need it bad. Okay, let's turn it back off until we get to that mud puddle. I'm gonna sand pit, whatever it is, I'm gonna put it down in second and hit it going back out. So, well, somebody is turning around. They don't want to come through that. Okay, we've got it down in second, and we're going to hit it. the van's nasty now, especially up underneath there. This wet sand is almost like a slick mud. Okay, let's turn this one off. This will be a wrap. We're not going up through that way.